that you'll hold on, stay together, hold on together. Let's realize our dream.
I realized that the staff, they were dedicated and loyal to the institution. Like they were attached to Don Bosco, regardless of whoever was the principal that sat on the chair. To get an LCD projector was a big thing. It cost us 1,25,000 if I remember at that time. Well, special education. We had this playway method of learning, activity-based method, in which writing was not a forte, but expression and comprehension and all that was a big forte. One day Mrs. Claire Miskida comes to me and tells me, "Father, what is this happening? These children cannot even write their names on their answer papers." We have time from 9:30 in the morning to 4 in the evening. So 1.5 hours of English, 1.5 hours of math, 1.5 hours of science. Give me your best teachers. So this teacher, whoever, whether it's maths or whether it be science or whether it be English, is mother, teacher, tuition teacher. We had a counselor, Dr. Kersi Chawda, then, who would come every week, and he had spoken to me about this problem, this issue of learning disabilities, dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia. And then there was the night study classes, the evening classes that were there. Of course, it existed before I came in, which was a very good project. And those were boys who would come from the neighboring municipal schools in the evening, and we would give them our facilities to study and also organize a little tuitions in maths and English, and we got permission to run NIOS as a center.
From where we took over, I think sports got uplift with the All India Savio Cup. We started getting players from all over the country and also from the US and Malaysia and different parts of the world. During my tenure, the NBA came to India, and the whole partnership with NBA started in Don Bosco Matunga. I like to share only one regret that I had. Indiscipline in the school with the 10th standard batch. I cancelled their farewell. And till today, I regret that decision. I'm very sorry to that batch of 10th standard, the man with a dream that was put up on the life of Don Bosco. If there is one person that I want to thank, Sir Rai.
I wanted to bring about as a change is to bring the secondary section, the entire secondary section, under one whole kind of umbrella. I think that was a good change which was brought about in my second year. I believe in being with my teachers, with my students, whether they are in the classroom, whether they are on the playground, whether they are preparing themselves for an annual day or for a cultural day. Bosco Kala Utsav, when you have activities and competitions happening all over the place. One annual day which stands out in my mind and I feel very happy to recollect in my mind was Jungle Book. When we started thinking about it, I had my doubts in my mind. When it actually came on stage, I couldn't believe what I was looking at on the stage. Then I was absolutely blessed to have teacher Beatrice as my AHM who took over from Neelam. But I was absolutely happy to have on 2 occasions Father Roy. And one big achievement which I feel very happy about is taking Don Bosco to number 1 in the East Zone in my presence here, to number 2 in Mumbai, to number 8 all over India as the best boys' school.
I asked myself, will I be able to fit into the shoes of my predecessors who have achieved so much, who have done so much for this institution? I believe that if a Salesian and the educators are present with the boys, with the staff, everything else falls in place. And this is what I'm seeing in this institution. Regional Superior, Father Maria Arokyam Kanaga, whenever you come to Mumbai and ask about Don Bosco, they're saying, we can remember only one Don Bosco, and it is Don Bosco Matunga. It is so famous. I have been to many Don Bosco institutions, but I can say by far Don Bosco Matunga offers you the best. The one song that stood out and which I loved to watch in the play The Sound of Music is Do Re Mi.
I was just a young priest, newly ordained, when I was sent here as the prefect of studies and the vice principal. Those 2 years which I spent here were wonderful years. And then after that I got a transfer. And that is when I came back again. The next time my posting added. I was prefect of studies and administrator and vice principal. So that has been my experience, and it is the principals who have guided, the rectors. I have just been a support to them and just did my best, whatever was expected of me. And I'm sure the boys are also happy, and I'm happy to be here. Father Crispino was a very different person in the way he let things happen. He gave me all the freedom. Father Bosco's time was different because I saw more development, especially on the grounds. Different with Father Bernard, his style of functioning is also very, very different. He's more into getting people to write, the way of writing English, his way of encouraging drama. So each of them had a very, very different style of function.
I must say that Don Bosco High School, Matunga, has had an array of outstanding principals. Father Casarotti, Father Giacomello, Father Bianchi. The era of these great Italian missionaries. We have a great past pupils association spread out all over the world. This is what I wish our present students, that once you are a Boscoite, you will be a Boscoite for all your life, and that you will carry this spirit with you no matter where you go. Bosco, Bosco, Don Bosco.
Thank you, Father.
Say, is this going to be a sort of paranormal play? And what's Jesus got to do with dreams when Freud has had his say? Italy's 1825, a cesspool of discord. So why the fuss, you may be saying? They're in something odd. Three children begin to waiting, the golden horizon, the promise of day. Dream children, bring in the springtime, come herald the sunshine, new light for the way.
Tripura. A very good evening to all of you. I'm so happy to be here among you all. I'm Miss Florinda and this is Miss Florence De Silva. We have spent 36 years, the best years of our life at Don Bosco Matunga. There is no X in our students or staff who walk into school to open arms. The joy we share just being around makes Don Bosco Matunga a happy meeting ground. God bless. I wish Don Bosco to keep on rising and rising till it reaches the stars in every field. You have reached a pinnacle, yet I keep on wishing all the very best. As ex-teachers, supervisors and staff who always put Don Bosco Matunga first, even before their own families, it is not an easy thing to do, but you did it with so much of love. We would like to know what drives you to do all the wonderful things you do for your students.
My journey has been a very happy one. I was very happy under each and every principal. We worked very hard, and that hard work was one of the reasons why we were so happy. I had special corner for the boarders, very happy one. We were like a big, large family. We used to celebrate each one's birthday with that zeal.
I spent 36 long years in Don Bosco's and I retired as the supervisor of the secondary section.
67 से चालू किया था, मराठा था, बहुत फादर लोग अच्छा हम लोग को मदद किया भी है। फादर अन्नकलेट ने बहुत मदद किया हमारे बच्चों लोग की। फादर थॉमस मी, फादर क्रिस्पिनो, फादर एडोल्फ बहुत मदद किया एडोल्फ। फादर बोनी किया, ब्रदर रोजा।
They were looking for teachers who had done Cambridge because they wanted to go to the IC level. But it didn't take much time before you could say Jack Robinson, the school changed. And they became SSC one more time. Because Italy raised an objection. They said, where will the poor go? So we became SSC school. All the ICSE teachers fled. I was the only one who stayed here. And the principal asked me, will you stay or will you also go? I said, where will I go? I'm treated like a queen here. So I walked these corridors like the queen.
I started in June 1969. I entered here because Father Mariotta was a very good friend. The first show at Shanmukananda Hall was organized by Father Boni to raise funds with a musical show. Akshay Kumar was a boy that really turned and has become what he is today with values because of what he got from the teachers, masters and the principals.
I joined in the year 1968 under Father Giacomello. It was really great.
It was very really nice because I have worked here for 38 years.
I have worked here for 35 years and I also enjoyed teaching Marathi in the primary section.
My dad was here in school working as a tailor and Father Giacomello called me and asked me what you would like. Would you like to come to the school and teach? I said, yes, Father. Wherever I go and I get respect from my students.
When I joined Don Bosco, I was in the KGs. So I didn't actually, I wanted to do some training. So they sent me for a PT training.
Mr. Ruplal was the senior one and he guided me a lot about this. He was a very disciplined person. I have learned so much thing from him. In my 35 years of service in Don Bosco School, I have enjoyed a lot.
The Salesians did not want married teachers on the staff because it was a boys' school. So they were all gents at that time. So they did not allow any lady teacher who was employed to get married. But I decided to get married after 1.5 years. And so I went in with my resignation to Father Giacomello. And he was quite shocked. He says, "You want to leave?" I said, "Yes, Father." He accepted my resignation, but after a few days he called me back to his office. And he's giving that same resignation letter back to me. I was wondering what was happening. And he said, "We are changing history in Don Bosco's Matunga with you. We are allowing you to get married and all the lady staff to get married." You did not know my happiness at that time. And I told him, "Wait a minute, Father. I'm going to the shrine and I'm thanking Don Bosco above all for allowing me to continue after getting married." And so I had the privilege of being the first lady teacher to be married on the staff. And after me, everyone started getting married. Till today, when on the streets, if a boy is crossing my path, whatever, with a helmet on, they are shouting, "I'll swallow you whole." I know exactly it's a Boscoite calling out to me.
Well, yes, it has been a long journey, 25 long years. Okay, I came in at the Golden Jubilee and I am leaving now with you all being 75 and in the Platinum.
I began as a substitute teacher in the month of February. I came in place of a teacher who was unwell. Later, I joined in 1981. When I came in as a substitute, it was Father Joe Vaz who was very, very encouraging. And he even asked me at that time whether I would join back. My experience as a substitute was a very cherished memory. So I did come back to Don Bosco's as a full-fledged teacher in 1981 and I'm still there till date. I've had this good fortune before I retired to work under the guidance of Father Bernard. It has been a very, very pleasant and enjoyable time because he's been very, very appreciative.
I joined Don Bosco's in the year 1988. Father John Samala appointed me, and from then on I have been under the direction of Father Adolphe, Father Eddie, Father Crispino, Father Bosco, and now Father Bernard. It's been an amazing experience to be in Don Bosco.
Don Bosco is my first home, I can say, not even my second home. And I come from Vasai, but I am here in school by 8 o'clock. I leave home by 5:35 just to come to Don Bosco's. And I'm very happy to be here. It's my 35th year and I'm aging gracefully.
Father Adolphe appointed me over here, and from then I've been working till date. It's a great experience, learning every day with children.
Father Adolphe appointed me at that time, and I remember everyone, all the retired teachers and some of the old teachers telling me, "Oh, you are so young and you are like a child to us, you are like a daughter." And being in Don Bosco's, under the training that we have received, all the trainings, it has just made me bloom and grow. And with Don Bosco as his guide and I just ask him to guide me every day. And today I thank him for what I am, as I am appointed as a head teacher from the 1st of September this year. Thank you.
There were many moments that were good as well as challenging. But with my friends and with the children, I was able to face those challenges and I've come out strong.
They have been the best years of my life.
And I'm very happy that everything went so well, and my kids, they made me grow, and I was very much interested in sports, and I saw to it that all my boys were more interested in games and sports.
My subject is art. It's my borders that I miss the most. In every activity that I had to do, was done after school hours. And it is them who stood by me till late.
23 years behind me and still walking. Enjoyed every minute, and it has seen me grow. From a class teacher in the 7th, went on to the 9th, dropped down to the 8th, and then took on as supervisor of Standard 8, and now Standards 7 and 8. I love every minute of the journey. I love working with my colleagues. I am a team player. I can't go solo. That's what I've said, and I'll hold that forever.
Father Bonnie, a great leader and all-rounder, promoted basically sports under the guidance of Father Alu. I joined school in the year 1990, Father Adolf Furtado as my first principal.
I was appointed in 1970 by Father Giacomello and late Father Vincent was as a biology teacher to teach senior Cambridge, which was a challenging work in India. The new course started in 1972. I was recommended by late Mr. Charles Farrow to write the textbook for 8th standard. I have written it, and my book was approved by the State Board of Maharashtra. My first principal was Reverend Father Giacomello, who was very cool. I treated him like my God, and he was very kind to everyone. My second principal was Father Braganza, who was also hardworking. He was very good in all the subjects, and I have learned a lot from him. Father Bonnie, till now I have got good relation with him, and he has taught me so many things. Brother P.M. Thomas, he is the main principal who started very good society work in Don Bosco known as Credit Society. Father John Samala, he used to understand everything what is in the mind of a person. Father Adolf, he has guided me how to conduct practical in science, and it was very useful till today to me. Father Eddie has taught me how to deal with the learning disability. I treat him by guru. Father Crispino, he used to give me work. I used to respect him. Till now, I respect him. Father Bosco, he has got very good innovation idea in all the branches. Father Bernard, he knows what is in the minds of the teacher or the boys. I am very grateful to late Mr. Charles Farrow, who has taught me how to deal with the surrounding. Bosco, 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 Don Bosco.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I start again. No, I won't leave. I want to try everything. I want to try, even though I will fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I start again. No, I won't leave. I want to try everything. I want to try, even though I would fail. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Look how far you've come. You've filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I start again. No, I won't leave. I want to try everything. I want to try, even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I I start again. No, I won't leave. I want to try everything. I want to try even though I would fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything.
Castes and cultures of every kind makes Don Bosco Machunga truly divine. Sportsmen and superstars we have produced who fight for justice through political views. From borders to day scholars have achieved their dreams. They're doctors, writers. I am Neville Irani from the batch of 2003.
As ex-students, you always have that memory that you share with your friends. Why don't you share some of those lovely moments with us here today?
Hi, we are the Anklesariya family. We stay in Parsi Colony, Dadar.